Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, May 24. The time is 1:45 a.m. GMT, and for today we are looking at the chart of the euro dollars. This is 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here we ended with B, so that means we are now within a select lower, and within the select it subdivides into a 5 waves. We have this 1, 2 and 3 ended here, and this is a 4, and now we are extending lower within the wave 5. So you can see that we have enough number of swing, technically speaking, to finish with 5. So this low over here could actually be with your entire wave 5 as well here, but for now we have not seen any bottoming of any kind yet. At least there's no evidence of any kind of bottoming, so we are still opening for the downside within the wave 5, but technically the cycle is kind of mature right now from this peak, and then we should be ending the 5 waves very soon with or without for the downside. So for now, again, we're still opening up more downside within the wave 5 in another 5 waves before we end the wave 5 in blue, and then that should also end the entire 5 waves from the peak, right? So our focus is going to be in the shorter cycle and not going to be discussing the long-term implication and so on, but the idea here then is that expect the decline to complete soon, and then from there we should be ending the 5 waves down, and then at minimum we should be expecting a 3 waves reaction once the 5 waves is complete, right? Minimum. So we should be looking for a 3 waves correction minimum to correct this entire 5 waves. So it should be going back maybe to 50% at least retracement of the entire decline usually. Alright, so that's the update here for today, and as always, if you want to get more regular updates or want to see in the higher time frame, do check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.